Good morning, children. I am Sanamas here. I hope you all are fine. I hope you all are doing all the work sent from school. Today we are going to do our 14th lesson, electric current and its effect. So we all know what for we are using electric current. Okay, in this chapter we are going to study about the electric current, its heating effect and etc. Okay, now we will start with electric symbols of electric components. When you draw a circuit diagram, it will be difficult for you all to draw the bulb, the cell and everything. So in this we are using certain symbols to represent the electric components. The first one is we are going to study is electric cell. So you all might have seen this electric cell. This is a electric cell. You might have seen in your houses, it is very common. So for what you all are using this, we all know what for we are using this electric cell. So this is the electric cell. It has two terminals. One is the positive terminal and another one is the negative terminal. So for this electric cell, we are representing it in a form like this. You are drawing a thin line and parallel to that you have another line that is called the, so this thin line is the positive charge and the thick line which is parallel to that is the negative terminal. So the electric cell is represented, or the symbol which we are using is this one. You draw two parallel lines. Now the next one is electric bulb. So this is the electric bulb. So this is very difficult for you all to represent it in a circuit diagram. So what we do is we are using this symbol for the electric bulb. So you just put a circle and you just draw small n in between that. So you get the electric bulb. Now switch. So next one is, this is the switch. So you represent this switch like this. So you have two dots and a closed one. That means the switch is in the on position. So if both the lines are connected, that means your switch is in on position. Next, switch in off position. That means it goes up like this. That is, the 2 points, this line will not be meeting. So this is the symbol which we give for the switch in off position. Now next is battery. So battery means when you have two or more cells, that is called the battery. So how do you represent that? You represent it like this. You are drawing the symbol for the cell and two like this, connecting with dotted lines. So that means two cells are present in that circuit. Now next one is the wire. Wire means you all know which is a single wire like this, which we are used to connect the switches and the bulbs. So this wire is represented simply like this. It is represented in a line. Now that is about this symbols of the electric components. So these are the symbols which we will be using to draw in a circuit diagram. So next you have to know what is battery. Now battery means it is combination of two or more cells is called the battery. So for example, you might have seen batteries in torches, toy cars, then TV remote control. You can see batteries. We are using two or more electric cell, that is called the batteries. Now How are the batteries connected? The batteries are connected to one another by a wire. So the positive terminal of one electric cell will be connected to the negative terminal of the another cell. That is how the batteries are connected. This can be kept in cell holders. When there is 2 or more batteries or cells, you can keep it in a cell holder. So you have places where you can put all the cells. You can put your cells like this inside this. So this is a bulb holder where you can see you can put more electric cell. This is the cell holder. Now circuit diagram. So now what is a circuit? It is nothing but the path through which the electricity passes. That is called the circuit. Now to represent the circuit diagram, so you all know this. This is the electric cell. It is connected to a bulb, and this in turn is connected to the switch. Now you know that the switch is in on position means both the points are connected. So you can see both the points connected in this picture. So what happens? The bulb is glowing. That means the switch is in the on position, the electricity is passing through this, and now the bulb is glowing. So this is the circuit diagram for with the switch in on position. Now next one. Now here, see, I have not put any rays over here. That means the bulb is not glowing. That means the switch is in off position. The 2 points, this line is not connecting these 2 points. So that means the switch is in off position. So the bulb is not glowing. Okay, so now this is the circuit diagram. Now when the electric bulb glows, you won't be able to touch it because you all know that it is very hot. So now why this bulb is hot? That is because there is heat. When the bulb glows, heat is emitted. Heat is also coming out along with the light. So that is why it is hot. So the heating effect of electric current we will see in the next video. Now what makes the bulb glow? We say that the bulb is glowing. Inside the bulb there is a filament. So this filament makes the bulb glow. So in this lesson we have started with the lesson. Now we have seen that the symbols of electric components. We have seen about how these electric cell, bulb, switch and wire are represented using symbols. And we studied what is battery. Battery means it is combination of 2 or more cells. Next we have seen that in battery how these are connected. These are connected with a wire, that is the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell. Next about the circuit diagram. So we have seen that the bulb glows when the switch is in on position, and when the bulb is not glowing when the switch is in the off position. And I told you the bulb will emit heat while glowing. So heating effect of the current we will see in the next class. And I told you filament is responsible for the glowing of bulb. I hope you all understood this, children. Go through the text. Thank you. Have a nice day.